Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to evaluate or simplify this question. The answer is not 4. Some people will approach this question by saying 3 minus 5 gives you minus 2. Another 3 minus 5 gives you minus 2, and the bracket means times. So they will conclude using directed multiplication of directed numbers, minus 2 times minus 2, which gives you plus 4. That is not correct. So what we do here, we use board mass. And when we use board mass, we are going to have bracket first. So we solve the one in the bracket, which is 3 minus 5, which is 3 minus 5. If we solve that, we are having 3 minus 5 in bracket gives us minus 2, bracket 3 minus 5. In this case, we have 3 minus 5, bracket is short way to write multiplication, which is times, minus 2. Then, in board mass, we have to consider multiplication first. Then, multiplication, we are multiplying these two numbers, minus 5 times minus 2. And when we multiply minus 5 plus minus 2, we are going to have plus 10. And we have 3 here already, which will give us 3 plus 10. Our final answer will be 13. So this is our answer to this question. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.